How to turn on or off sharing iPhone analytics. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. On the Privacy and Security screen, scroll down and go to Analytics and Improvements. Here, find the option labeled Share iPhone Analytics near the top. Tap on the switch next to Share iPhone Analytics to change its state. When turned on, the switch moves right and shows green. When turned off, it moves left and appears gray. Changes apply instantly, there is no extra confirmation. You can adjust this setting anytime using the same switch on this page. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off sharing iPhone analytics. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.